Hello. Bit of an unusual one. If, like me, you're a small YouTube channel and you've been sent something free by the mighty YouTube, then of course you're going to get enthusiastic about it and do an unboxing video, aren't you? So there are a few videos like this and I thought I'd join in. So a while ago I received an email from YouTube saying we've launched this High5 initiative, this High5 program where you can get freebies and rewards and all that kind of stuff. And I thought, okay, whatever. So I clicked through and went there, and it said you can click here with a chance to get yourself an LED neon sign for nothing. We'll send you one. We're only making 1,000, mind you, so you might not get one. And I thought, okay, got to be in it to win it. So I clicked on it and then didn't really think anything of it. And then I started receiving emails about 2-3 weeks later saying your package from mysterious company is on its way. And I thought, what? So I deleted all those because I assumed they were spam. and then this arrived. So thank you, YouTube. Let's I'll just talk you through it. So it comes with a High5 card that says lights, camera, glow. You've managed to get your hands on a limited edition YouTube Neon. A special thank you from your friends at YouTube. I'm glad they're my friends. For brightening the world with your creativity. And I'm glad I brighten the world with my creativity. We'd love to see your new sign in action. Okay, well, I hope you're watching. Thank you very much. Tag us so we can check it out. So I'll certainly do that. And here's a very interesting unboxing video. To do that. So the box is quite frustrating because it doesn't look like it shuts, so that's something that annoyed me. UK plug, that's not a sticker, that's printed on. Good. The actual box is actually quite nice. It's quite a solid box. I've opened it up and there's a have fun card. So is that an order or a suggestion? And on the other side it's got product specifications. You can read those if you want. It's quite nice and glossy, a bit like the other one. Proper, you know, proper merch, I suppose is the word. A bit of foam, so we'll take that out. That's the actual sign itself, obviously not lit up. I'll lift that out carefully. Just take all this foam off it. So that's the actual lighty up bit. There's a bit of card here. What's that? Logo. What does this say? The power button is located on the stand. Hold it to adjust the brightness. So this isn't quite the same. It's thick cut paper, but it's just A4, and it looks like it's kind of been laser printed, folded and shoved in. So this looks a bit like an afterthought, but maybe they thought they'd better put some instructions in there. So I'm glad they did. Here's the mains cable. There's the mains cable, so we'll just unravel that because I'm going to plug it in, aren't I? It'd be stupid not to. So that goes in like that, and I'll just unravel that in preparation for the main event. Put that there. I'm going to take this last bit out. Oh, clunk. That's the base. Put that there, so presumably this fits in there. And it does. Oh, I like that. It's magnetic. Loving that. I'll tell you why in a second, but let's see how strong. So the magnet is strong enough for it to stay on when you're lifting it and moving it around, but you can just pull it off like that. Now I'll tell you why that is a good idea, because I don't know whether you can see on my thumb, there is a scar on my thumb running along there. And that scar was made using this Leatherman because I stabbed myself in the thumb. What I was doing was I was constructing a Hot Wheels toy and I put the part in the wrong place and it latched in. And so I thought what I'll do is I'll use my very sharp blade, like an idiot, to release the catch to try and get it apart. And while I was doing that, it slipped and I stabbed myself in the thumb. So no offense to Hot Wheels, it's entirely my fault, but I'm really glad that YouTube, when they designed this, they had idiots in mind. So thank you, YouTube, for that, because I don't really like stabbing myself. But yeah, a true story. Anyway, that's kind of nice. Let's turn it on. There's a hole in the back. We'll plug it in and give it a tap, and it lights up. That's pretty nice. Tap it again and it turns off. I'm going to turn the main light off so that we can get more of an appreciation. Now, I'm doing it in the day, so it's actually quite bright anyway. But I'll tap it and it comes on. It looks red to me, but it might appear a bit orangey on the GoPro, but it is actually quite a nice shade of red. It's quite a delicate glow. I quite like it. It's quite nice. And when it's got that black bit in the middle, it does look like it's sort of floating. So that is rather nice. And if I press, did it say press and hold it? So I'm pressing it, and you see it gets, oh, that went dimmer. Oh, that's clever. So if I press that, it gets brighter. If I tap it, it goes off, and if I tap it again, it comes back on again, and so it remembers what setting it was at, which is quite nice. So it's got I'm getting a bit carried away now, aren't I? I am having fun, YouTube. I obeyed the leaflet, the bit of card. Well, yes, pretty cool, I think, especially as it's free. Not often I get sent free stuff, although if anyone's watching that has got free stuff they want to send me, I do like free stuff. I'm not open to bribery. I think Fantic found that out. But I do like free stuff. So, yeah, if you send me free stuff, I'll be honest about it. But that's kind of cool for nothing. And they say they made 1,000 of them, so I'm very surprised to get one. Yeah, thanks ever so much, YouTube. Liking and subscribing is appreciated, because it always is. And thanks for watching.